The Silliest Teacher in School by DARREN. Our teacher gave attention to the fountains in the hall. She handed extra homework to the artwork on the wall. We saw her point a finger at a banner and a sign. She said their bad behavior was completely out of line. The principal approached her and said, "What is all this fuss? I heard you tried to punish all the tires on the bus. You've made the teachers angry by disrupting all their classes. So, if you want to keep this job, you have to wear your glasses."